Alright, I got a video review for you guys, showing you guys the 3 Xbox controllers. These are new ones. This one is the ShockBlue. This one is the Electric Volt. And this one is the Pulse Red. And both of these controllers have battery usage up to 40 hours. Hybrid D-pad, textured. The D-pad is like, it has like a groove in it, as you can see here, where you can like press on the control, and it works really good or whatever when it comes to switching weapons and stuff like that. This is how I use it to play Call of Duty and different games like that. The triggers and the bumpers in the back, they also have like textured grips on the back. See that? The little bumps there? Those are textured grips. Also, it's Bluetooth compatible. It has a USB-C charger where you can charge and play at the same time. This is the button that you press to connect to the controller. When you first get the controller, you connect it to the console using this. Okay, and then also we have this one. Everybody knows that the controls take AA batteries. Okay, that's what the remote takes. 2 AA batteries. Okay, this one is the play and charge kit in it. Okay, then we see the buttons, the triggers. They have grooves in them. They feel really, really good. It's really, really good. It's really stiff texture. The buttons feel is good also. Okay, then we have the screenshot button, start button. Okay, and then we have the select button here. Everything feels good. Press down on the stick. Feels good. Okay, I love the textured grip. Also here on the bottom, as you can see, the texture in the grip here. Love that when hold on to the control, so the control doesn't slip out of your fingers. These controllers are also works for Xbox Series S, Xbox One, Windows, Android, and iOS. Okay. So these are great controllers. I decided to make a review for them, for the people that were probably interested in buying them. This is what the electric shock, well, the Volt one looks like. It's white on the back, it's black on the top. Okay, and it's yellow in the front. Okay, this is a close-up of it. Triggers are a little dirty from being used, but it's all right. This is what it looks like fully, because I know in the on the internet it doesn't really show you the full what the controller looks like, so I'm showing you what it looks like in person. In the back of the Pulse Red controller, this is it here. Same D-pad. I love this D-pad. It works great. Okay. It also has the textured grips. Textured grips on the buttons in the back also. USB-C for charging. Also has to connect to Bluetooth. Okay. Then you have the blue one here. It's blue. Let me just put this back on. And then flip it over. See, it's the same setup, textured. Okay, then it's textured here on the grip also. Batteries go in the rear. AA, D-pad. They have textured on the sticks also. Everything feels good. All the buttons feel good. Triggers, these feel hard. These feel a little soft. So all around great feeling controller, great controller, great controller. I have a lot of the older ones, and these are the new ones that I just recently purchased, and they work great. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask them. To like, share, subscribe, and comment. Peace.